I'd be yelling at somebody saying, "You couldn't get all this mail? Lazy. You had a basket and everything." Was that beans?
Yeah. Well, and stew beef.
Oh, I can't eat anything. Hi. Where? Where's Barney at?
Hi, guys.
Oh, right there?
Barney, what are all those letters?
Well, maybe I'd better read this and find out. Would you open it for me, please?
Sure.
Okay.
Here you go, Barney.
Oh,
What does it say?
let's see. Here's
So-
just a little card to say, best wishes on your special
Oh, is that a motorcycle?
happy birthday. Oh,
How's the motorcycle go?
Isn't that nice?
Birthday? Is today your birthday, Barney?
Uh-huh.
Oh, those birthday cards?
Well, could be. I've got lots of friends.
I didn't know it was your
What are you
birthday,
doing?
Barney. I didn't know you had a birthday.
Hi.
Oh, everyone has a birthday. It comes once every year, on the same day that you were born. A birthday means you've gotten 1 year older and had another year of learning and growing.
I think you've been growing big, Barney.
Well, my tummy has. But for boys and girls,
Where's
a
Barney at?
birthday usually means you've been growing bigger and taller. From the top of your head,
The top of your head?
tips of your toes,
Where's your toes at? Where's your toes at?
your body grows and grows and grows.
Oh, right there? That is your toes. It's good.
Size of shoes, a bigger size of clothes.
All because your body grows and grows. Growing, growing, you're getting big and it is showing. Growing, growing, growing big and tall. From the top of my head to the tips of my toes, my body grows and grows and grows.
I don't think they said teeth yet. Sorry, Avery.
Bigger shoes,
Where your shoes at?
bigger clothes. All because
Oh, is that your toes again?
my grows and grows.
You and your karate kicks already? Your daddy starting you young?
Growing,
Got those karate kicks already?
I'm